If this is your first time here, welcome. If you watched the previous episode, welcome back. In the last video, we slowed everything down to regain stability in the first 24 hours after job loss. Because panic clouds clarity, and clarity is the first tool you need. Today, we face a deeper wound: identity. Losing a job isn't only a financial disruption, it's an identity interruption. You don't just lose income, you lose structure, routine, recognition, a story you told yourself about who you are. Titles become mirrors. When that title is taken away, the reflection blurs. Some people pretend they're fine, but inside, they feel erased. There's a strange quiet that follows job loss. The calendar stops, the inbox goes silent, meetings disappear. And in that silence, a voice appears. What am I now? Who am I without that role? That voice isn't weakness, it's honesty. We don't choose this attachment consciously. It builds slowly. First, I work here. Then, this role matters. Then quietly, this role defines me. We never notice the moment when function becomes identity until it breaks. There's a line that helps in this moment. Your value is not in what you do. It's in who you are when everything stops. Not what you do, who you are. Because right now things have stopped. And that silence is not emptiness. It is space. Space to step back and see yourself clearly again. Let's build some distance between you and the job you lost. Step 1. Name the role. Say, my job was a function I performed. Step 2. Name yourself without the role. List 3 truths about yourself that existed before that job. For example, I'm a parent. I solve problems calmly. I keep going when life gets heavy. Step 3. Reframe the loss. Replace I lost who I was with I lost one version of how I earned a living. Identity lives in qualities, not titles. Let's go deeper. Think of someone you admire. Now ask yourself, is it their job title that makes them valuable to me? Or is it their character, their resilience, their humor? Chances are, it's not their job title. It's who they are when the title disappears. The same is true for you. You are not broken. You are between versions. This transition is not a collapse. It's a return to the parts of you that existed before the job, before the title, before the expectations. If you want to rebuild identity on a foundation of who you truly are, the next episode continues the work. Follow the protocol guide, systems that work.